How to fix KB5074109 0x800f0991 update error in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. Follow the first method. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on Windows Update and turn off this setting. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Turn off this setting, close the settings window and open the services window. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, scroll down and find Windows Update in the list. This one, right click on this service and select Properties. Set the startup type to Disable. For this, click on this drop down and select Disable. Click on Apply. Here, click on Stop. Click on OK. Close the services window. Now open File Explorer. Click on its icon from the taskbar. Select this PC. Go to C drive where the Windows is installed. Open the Windows folder. Here look for Software Distribution folder. This one and delete this folder. Right click on this folder and select Delete. Once done, close the File Explorer and restart your computer. After restarting, again launch the services window. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, go to the Windows Update service. This one, right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply and click on Start. Click on OK. Then look for App Readiness. This one, right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that the startup type is Automatic here. If the service is stopped, click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Then do the same with Background Intelligent Transfer service. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic and click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on Apply, click on OK. Close the services window and then check for updates. If KB5074109 is downloaded, restart your computer to complete the installation. The next method is fix problems using Windows Update. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on the button Reinstall Now. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will start downloading. Once the downloading is completed, restart your computer. After restarting, try to install the security update. If these methods don't work, you will have to perform in-place upgrade. To perform in-place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, click on the download Windows 11 link, scroll down, go to this section, download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices and click on the select download drop down. Select this option. If your device is x64 based, for ARM64 devices, click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now you have to select the product language. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Time and Language, select Language and Region. Windows display language is the product language, which is English United States. Check in your system and select the language here. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once downloaded, go to the download location. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file and select mount. Click on open on this pop-up. Right click on the file setup.exe and select open. Uncheck this box. Checking this box will take much more time. So uncheck it and click on next. For applicable notes and license terms, click on accept. Click on install on this window. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 will be installed along with the security update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.